In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an idler pulley on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the passenger side of the motor, behind the right front wheel. Let's get started. Remove the hubcap, pull straight out. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a trim tool, we're going to remove the 4 clips for our shield. Let the shield swing down. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to pull the tension off of our tensioner pulley. We're going to remove the belt. Pop it off one pulley and let the wrench return slowly. Remove the wrench and fully remove your belt. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove both of the bolts for the idler assembly. I'm using a semi-deep socket. I'm going to insert the socket into a groove in the pulley, then push up towards the top bolt until it grabs. Remember that you need to remove your ratchet so it doesn't get pinned against the frame rail. We're going to have to use a pry bar to open up the ears on our pulley. Ours was pretty crusty in there. And work the pulley assembly out. Using a 14mm socket, remove the bolt. Remove the washer and remove the pulley. Install the pulley. Install the washer. Install the bolt. Snug it down. Torque the bolt to 30 foot-pounds. Have the bolts installed into the assembly before installing. We're going to line up our bolts with those ears. Get the assembly installed, get those bolts through the ears, and make sure you line it up in the back. This in the back can make it tricky to get back in. It needs to be perfectly square while going in. Torque the bolts to 37 foot-pounds. We're going to feed our belt down from the top around our alternator. We're going to go around our water pump. Go around the AC. Install the belt, follow the diagram on the screen. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to get on our tensioner pulley. We're going to pull the tension off of the pulley and get the belt installed. With the belt fully installed, let go of the wrench. Make sure that the belt is riding on all of the flat pulleys where it should, and in the grooved pulleys. Pull the shield up into place. Install the plastic clips. We have one more. Push the fender liner back. Install the wheel and get the 5 lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the wheels to 79 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the hubcap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.